A while back, I was dashing and I went to a restaurant to get my order, walked up to the cashier, asked for the order, and she said it wasn't ready yet. It might take 10 or so minutes to prepare. So I started making small talk with another dasher that was also standing around waiting on his order. And I asked him questions like, how is your day going so far? What are you earning? Are your orders any good? And he was pretty happy with his day, but he said this restaurant is terrible. He's been waiting for about 20 minutes, and this order is just wasting his time. So I beg the question: why don't you just unassign the order? It's not that big of a deal. You could unassign a couple of them, and it really won't affect it won't cause your deactivation essentially. So he told me that he actually didn't know how to unassign orders. And that got me thinking, maybe other people have this similar problem where they're not aware that they can unassign an order after they've actually accepted it. Now, I have to say, it's not a great idea unassigning a lot of orders because if your completion rate falls below 80%, DoorDash can actually deactivate you. Your acceptance rate could be terrible. My acceptance rate has fallen to 25%, and I haven't gotten deactivated, but my completion rate never has fallen below, I want to say, 87%. But every once in a while, you want to unassign an order because it's just either a terrible order, it's taking too long, or there's just too much miscommunication going on between the restaurant and the customer, and you really don't want any part of that. So, these are some of the situations where you can unassign orders, but you can only unassign 2 out of 10 orders. And I think that's pretty fair because you shouldn't be unassigning too many things that you've already accepted because number one, the customer has to wait a longer period of time, and number two, DoorDash kind of has to deal with unsatisfied customers on their end as well. So how do you unassign orders? I'm gonna be taking you guys through a quick screen recording of how to unassign orders. I hope you guys find this informative. Once again, do not abuse this too much. This is for those rare occasions where you're really not having a good day or really having a terrible order, in which case I do say go ahead unassign that order. It's good for morale and it will cause you to earn more money. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you find it informative, hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will see you guys in my next video.